Spanda Karika Verse 2, The Uncovered Reality. Yatra sthitamidam sarvam karyam yasmacha nirgatam tasyat navrutta rupatvanna nirodho asti kutrachit. Let us listen carefully to what this verse declares, that in which this entire universe is established, from which it has emerged because its nature is never veiled. There is no suppression or cessation anywhere. This verse shifts the attention. Verse 1 spoke of cosmic blink, Unmesha and Nimesha. Verse 2 asks us to recognize the ground in which this blink happens. Where does the universe arise? In what does it remain? Into what does it dissolve? The answer is not space, not matter, not time. It is consciousness itself. The unveiled presence. The key word here is anavrita rupa, the uncovered nature. Spanda says reality is never veiled. We think ignorance covers truth, but according to Kashmir Shaivism, consciousness is never actually covered. Let us take a simple example. When you see a gold ornament, a necklace, a ring, do you not also see gold? The shape may vary, but the substance is never hidden. Similarly, when you see waves, you do not lose water. When you watch a movie on a screen, the screen is not absent. Even when fire appears in the movie, the screen is not burnt. Even when water appears, the screen is not wet. The screen remains untouched. In the same way, consciousness remains untouched by the drama of manifestation. Nirodha, nothing to suppress. The verse says, Nirodha asti kutrachit. There is no suppression anywhere. This is very subtle. Spanda does not advocate suppression of thought. It does not say eliminate the world. It says recognize the substratum. Every thought arises in consciousness. Every emotion arises in consciousness. Anger, joy, sadness, all arise, remain and dissolve. But consciousness does not need to reject them. It illumines them. Just as the screen allows every scene to appear without resistance, this is different from forced mental control. It is recognition. Swarupa Gnana, recognizing the platform. Consciousness provides the platform and the illumination. Thoughts are like images projected. The self Swarupa does not become the thought. It gives space for it. Notice something practical. A thought arises. It has three stages. Utpatti arising, Sthiti staying, Samhara dissolving. During all three, there is an unchanging witness. That witness does not come and go. It does not resist. It simply shines. This shining is Prakasha. The seer is never modified. Even when thoughts are agitated, consciousness is not agitated. Even in deep sleep, consciousness is not absent. We are aware whether sleep was deep or not. That means awareness was present even in the absence of mental activity. The absence of thought does not mean absence of consciousness, just as absence of a movie does not mean absence of screen. Therefore, the self is never veiled. Only attention is misdirected. Practical contemplation. Right now, allow a thought to arise naturally. Do not suppress it. Observe it as movement. Notice that something is aware of it. Now the thought dissolves. What remains? The same awareness. This awareness did not increase when the thought came. It did not decrease when the thought left. That is Anavrita Rupa, the uncovered nature. Important clarification. Spanda does not say the world is illusion in the dismissive sense. It says the world is an expression of consciousness. The ornament is not separate from gold. The wave is not separate from water. But mistaking wave as independent from water, that is ignorance. Recognition dissolves confusion. not the world, closing inside. Verse 1 showed us the cosmic pulsation. Verse 2 shows us the ever-present ground. The universe arises in consciousness. It remains in consciousness. It dissolves in consciousness. And consciousness is never covered. Therefore, nothing needs suppression, only recognition. The screen is already present. The gold is already shining. You are that Om.